Howdy, I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We are back out in the warehouse, and we're going to be talking about the Pentair IntelliCenter upgrade kit, specifically part number 522045. So this part number here, we're going to reference a card right now on the screen. We're going to reference a card that tells you which upgrade kit is best for you. But the 522045, that is for your legacy panels. The way you would recognize you have a legacy panel is on that card. You're going to see you have 3 circuit breakers in the upper right-hand corner, and they're all in a line. In the upper right-hand corner of your existing panel, if you have 4, that's the new style panel. That's not for this particular item. So if you have the legacy panel from 2003 to 2012, that's going to be this 522045. And this is going to be your upgrade from an EasyTouch, IntelliTouch, whatever you have out there, to the new Pentair IntelliCenter. Great, great product, touch screen. I've got one open here. We're going to kind of show you what comes inside. So what comes inside, you get a new wiring diagram and then a warning label saying, hey, this wiring inside your panel has been altered. So those are going to go get installed inside. One thing about this too is make sure it's professionally installed. So have somebody in the pool industry, license bonded, all that, have a registered person go ahead and install this for you. Because that's what Pentair wants for all the warranties, and that's just going to get you your best experience on that. You also get all your instruction manuals, books, all your stuff there. What comes inside is they give you a new bracket. So in that upper right-hand side of your existing panel, like I was telling you, you're going to get a new circuit breaker. This is going to give you the 2 that need to go, as well as the transformer on there mounted as well. So that's going to come in the kit. And then the heart or the brains of everything is your new board, as well as the touchscreen IntelliCenter upgrade kit. So this thing is gorgeous. It gives you all that functionality that you're getting in your app. You get now on a touchscreen at your panel. You get the antenna that comes with this as well. So here's all the cords and wiring for the antenna. Antenna's on this other side. This is a 900 megahertz antenna. It's going to get mounted out by the panel somewhere. And then the other part of it's going to go inside your house at your modem router, wherever you have internet. It's going to get plugged in there to power. They're going to communicate. This doesn't need to connect to Wi-Fi, so you don't have to have good Wi-Fi service at your pool equipment. This standalone antenna is going to communicate, give you great functionality from your app. So the Pentair Home app is what you're going to use. It's going to communicate with this. You're going to get all that functionality from your phone, turn your pool on, all the different circuits and everything there. So this is the 522045, the Pentair upgrade kit for the legacy panel. And it's just a great product. This is pool only also too. So this guy, I10P045, tells you it's a pool only. We'll do another video on if it's a pool spa, because that is a different part number, 522046. So this is pool only, IntelliCenter upgrade kit. Great product. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out ePoolSupply's YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button down below, and we got new content coming out every single week. Come visit us in store or online at ePoolSupply.com. Thank you.